Hello everyone, this is King of Review, and we're going to be doing an addition problem. So, let's write this down. 2x squared plus 6x minus 3 plus 4x squared minus 10x plus 8. Alright, so one thing to keep in mind when we're doing these questions is, can you add x squared and x? The answer is no. Because it's kind of like saying I have an apple and an orange. Would you say you have 2 apples? Or would you say you have 2 oranges? Probably not. You would probably just say I have 1 apple and an orange. So the same thing is going to be said about the x squared and the x here. You can't just add the x squared and x. But what you can do is you realize that there's going to be an x squared here and another x squared over here. So you have 2x squareds over here and a 4x squared, and if you add those two, you're going to end up with a 6x squared. And also 1x here and another x here. So if you add the positive 6x and a negative 10x, be careful with your negatives, negative 10x, you're going to end up with a negative 4x. And then you realize, oh, these are just numbers, so I can just add them. Negative 3 plus 8, which is going to give you a positive 5. And therefore, your answer for this question is going to be 6x squared minus 4x plus 5, which is option C. Now let's look at our other options. Option A says negative 2x. Well, we do have a 6x, and we added a negative 10x, so we should end up with a negative 4x, shouldn't we? So this can't be right. Also, for option D, because of the same reason, because we should end up with a negative 4x, this can't be right. What about option B? Option B says negative 5. Well, we do have a 3 and an 8, so it does add up to a 5, but not a negative 5, but a positive 5, because it's negative 3 plus 8. That's why this is wrong. And therefore, for this question, the answer is C.